So this is an old nursery pot. Maybe people have got pots this size lying around their house or in their garages when they bought plants before, small trees and things like that. So what is it, about 30 centimetres high and about 25 centimetres across?
Yeah, something like that. Whichever old container pot you've got, it's good to use these things up. Plastic pots, not very fashionable these days, but they'll last 25, 30 years if they're looked after. So they're actually pretty good for the environment. Just filled with the same soil mix, just compost and good garden topsoil, whatever you can get really. And then I thought we'd sow a few carrots. So I've not bothered to fill the pot right up. It's not necessary. This is a short, stumpy type of carrot, which one can just grow and...
Is that our free seed from Garden News?
It is.
Oh, excellent. Didn't need to pay for that then.
And then we'll open the packet up in the usual way, and carrot is...
Getting a bit closer and you can see.
Carrot is very similar in size to lettuce, and one can just sow that very gently. Sometimes it takes a little while for the seed to come to the edge of the pot.
You've got a practised hand doing this. If you haven't, it's probably best to empty the packet out, isn't it? Just do a smaller quantity.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
Otherwise you'll chip them all in.
So you sow very thinly. That's the crucial thing, and that's the carrot. And we're going to sow at the same time this very quick-growing spicy salad leaves. And the nice thing about these is, again, you can harvest them very, very quickly, and we can just pick them out in between the carrots, so we can enjoy the carrots, let them grow on, and we can pick and cut or cut.
Is there any danger of eating the carrots before they develop?
Well, the carrots will have a very feathery leaf, quite different to the rounder leaf of the spicy salad leaves. So we'll just get into those. And this is going to be a mixture of all different sorts of seeds. There's little bits of mustard and cress and all sorts of lovely things. So again, we're just going to sow that.
They're huge.
Very well, yeah, all variable types of seed, and we're just going to put that on there, like that. The rule of thumb: every single seed is going to make a little baby plant. So obviously, you don't want to make them so thick that they'll fight for light between each other.
Quite sparse to me. I think I'd probably put more in.
Well, no, I think that's enough, because you can soon re-sow in a sort of 2 or 3 weeks time.
Yeah.
That'll keep a succession going. Of even the carrots, one can sow every few weeks whenever you think about it, and because your pot is virtually indestructible, it'll just go on and on and on.
So if you did some one week, you could do this, repeat the sowing the following week.
Well, 2 or 3 weeks, yeah.
A bit later, 2 or 3 weeks.
So again, we're just going to firm them down with our fingers. Obviously, a dry fingers is good. You don't really want to make mud pies. Firm it in like that. We'll go over with the watering can to moisten everything up, and then we'll just leave it for nature to take its course.
Outside?
Outside again.
You better label that, we'll forget what it is.
If we get a particularly dry period of weather, then yes, you can certainly water it if you need to. If not, just leave it to nature, and it will rain.